Hello everyone, welcome to Make Draft and Strength. In today's session, we are going to learn how to draw a helix of a cylinder. So that helps us to understand the screw threads, springs and the helical surfaces. So before we start, if you haven't watched my previous videos, make sure to check them out. They will definitely help you to score in your exams. So let's start our topic. So you can see there is a 3D view of a cylinder. So one thread is wrapped around that cylinder. So what happened in helix? Helix, it is a combination of two motion actually. So that thread is wrapped around a motion, that is a circular motion going round and round, and at the same time linear motion is happen. That thread is moving upward direction or in downward direction along a cylinder height. So that is the helix. So helix means what? When something moves around a circle and at the same time it moves forward in a straight line, it forms a helix. So let's start our actual construction. So the question may ask in exam like draw a helix around a cylinder of 40 mm diameter and the pitch is given 60 mm. So the two dimensions are always given, diameter and the pitch is given. So the pitch, it is not a height of a cylinder. Pitch means it is a vertical distance between the full turn, one full turn of a helix. Only one full turn of a helix, that's the pitch. Okay, it's not the height of a cylinder. So let's start our actual construction. Normally we draw both the front view and the top view of a helix for a helix, but here I am starting with a top view. Draw a circle that the dimension is given in the question, that 40 mm diameter. So and divide it into the 12 parts. You can also draw a circle and a rectangle first to set up the views, and mark the point as 1, 2, 3 up to 12. Next step, draw a vertical lines in the front view. To draw a front view in question, the pitch is given is 60. So it's not a height of a cylinder, it's a distance between the one full turn of a helix. So it's not a height. So draw a rectangle as a 60 by 40. It's a front view of a cylinder. And the next step, transfer all the 12 divisions of a circle into a front view. So next step, imagine one thing that if we cut cylinder at point 1, so we get a rectangle. So the length of that rectangle is equal to the circumference of a circular base of a cylinder, and the height is equal to the axis length of the cylinder. So the circumference of circle is equal to pi d. So pi into diameter of a cylinder is 40, it is equal to 125.6. So draw a rectangle. That length is pi d and the height is equal to the pitch. And next step, divide base length of a rectangle into 12 equal parts, and that base horizontal line represent the circumference of a cylinder and the left line represent the axis of the cylinder. And draw one slant line which join the corners of the rectangle, and that slant line shows how the helix rise as it goes once around the cylinder. And name the points that intersect the vertical lines as P1, P2, P3 up to P12. Next step, draw horizontal lines which are parallel to base of the cylinder and intersect that horizontal line to the vertical lines in the front view of a cylinder. Mark all intersection in the front view as a P1, P2, P3 up to P12. And the last step, join all the points with the help of smooth curve. So in the front view of a helix, we use smooth line for a part that is in front and a dotted line for a part that goes behind the cylinder. So this is all about the helix session. Hope you like this session. If you like this kind of content related to engineering subject, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And keep practicing and improve your accuracy. Thank you.